Imagine a guardian, one that never sleeps, its eyes pierce the darkness and see through stormy weather. This guardian is radar, a silent sentinel you see. It watches over us constantly, protecting our nation, our homes, so crucial for modern defense. Before radar, planes could sneak in, attack without any warning. Now radar gives us precious time. Time to prepare, time to react. Think of it, this invisible shield, extending for many kilometers, up into the vast sky, out over the wide oceans. Truly an amazing invention, So, how does this radar work? It's quite clever actually, like shouting in a big cave and waiting for the echo. Radar does something similar but with invisible radio waves. These waves travel super fast. The speed of light, can you imagine? First, the radar sends out a pulse, a short burst of radio energy. This pulse travels outwards, spreading in a specific direction. If it hits something solid, like an airplane or a ship, or even a big rain cloud, some of that energy bounces back. This is the echo. The radar antenna then listens. It catches these returning echoes. By measuring the time taken for the echo to come back, radar can calculate the distance, how far away the object is. Simple idea but so effective, all from a simple radio echo. Not all radar is the same, you see. Different types for different tasks, like having different kinds of eyes. Some see far, some see wide. First, we have ground-based radar. These are often very big. Powerful systems can see far, used for long-range surveillance, guarding borders, watching air approaches. Then there are airborne radars, smaller, lighter, fit on planes. Think of those AWACS aircraft, with the big rotating dome on top. Fighter jets also have radar to find and track enemy planes or to map the ground below. Mobility is their big advantage, can go where the action is. Many modern warships use phased array radar and advanced missile defense systems. Lastly, let's talk over the horizon, or OTH radar for short. Section 4, The Art of Being Invisible, RCS and Stealth Secrets. Now, how visible is an object to radar? This is called its radar cross-section, or RCS, simple to say. A bigger object, like a large bomber, usually has a bigger RCS. It reflects more radio waves. A smaller object, like a bird, has a tiny RCS, much harder to see. But it's not just about size. The shape of the object is crucial. Flat surfaces, sharp angles, these can reflect radar waves directly back to the radar antenna, making the object appear bigger. The material also plays a part. Metal reflects very well, you know. This is where stealth technology comes in. The whole idea is to reduce RCS, make the aircraft almost invisible to enemy radar systems, Section 5, Radar all around us, everyday sentinels at work. Radar isn't just for finding enemies, it plays a crucial role in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. It has many important defensive roles, ensuring our safety in various scenarios. Take missile defense, for example. This technology is vital for national security. This is super critical, can save lives. It acts as a shield, protecting us from potential threats. Powerful radars scan the sky, looking for incoming missiles. They are always on alert. If one is detected, action. Immediate measures are taken to neutralize the threat. The radar tracks its path precisely and guides interceptor missiles to destroy the threat safely before it can do any harm. This precision is key to effective defense. Then there's air traffic control. This is another area where radar is indispensable. This one affects us all, every day. Whether you're flying for business or leisure, radar is at work. When you fly in an airplane, radar is keeping you safe. It ensures that your journey is smooth and secure. Controllers use radar to see planes even hundreds of miles away. This long-range capability is crucial for managing airspace. They manage the flow of traffic, ensure planes keep safe distances, preventing collisions, guiding landings. It's a complex job made possible by radar. Both civilian and military airfields depend heavily on this system. It's a shared technology that benefits everyone. On the battlefield, radar is king. It provides a strategic advantage. It gives commanders vital information, what they call battlefield awareness. This awareness can be the difference between victory and defeat. Radar can detect enemy movements, tanks, trucks, even groups of soldiers, sometimes from very far off. This early detection is crucial for planning. This helps to anticipate attacks or to direct friendly forces. It's a tool for both offense and defense. It's like having eyes everywhere. Radar technology is an unseen guardian, always watching, always protecting. Section 6. When sight fails. Understanding radar's blind spots. Radar is powerful, yes, but it's not perfect, you know. Despite its advanced capabilities, radar systems have their own set of challenges and limitations. It has limitations, like all tech. These limitations can sometimes be critical, especially in high-stakes environments. One big problem can be weather. Weather conditions can significantly impact radar performance. Very heavy rain or thick snow can absorb or scatter radio waves. This interference can reduce the radar's ability to detect objects. This makes it harder for radar to see targets clearly, or at all. The radar's vision becomes blurred, much like our own in a heavy downpour. The signal gets weak, confused, like trying to see through fog. Fog can scatter the radar waves, making it difficult to get a clear picture. Sometimes weather itself shows up as clutter on the radar screen. This clutter can mask real targets, making it hard to distinguish between them. Then there's the issue of jamming. Jamming is a deliberate attempt to disrupt radar operations. This is when someone tries to fool or overwhelm the radar system by blasting strong radio signals towards the radar receiver, These signals can create false targets or obscure real ones. It's like shining a bright light into someone's eyes they can't see. The radar becomes blinded by the overwhelming signal. This electronic noise can hide targets or make the radar screen unreadable. The operator is left struggling to make sense of the chaotic display. Military radars have ways to counter, but it's a constant cat-and-mouse game. They employ various techniques to filter out the noise and identify real threats. Advanced stuff, this electronic warfare. It's a sophisticated battle of technology, constantly evolving to outsmart the adversary. Section 7, Always Alert, Why Radar Remains Our First Defender. So, as we have seen, radar is truly a remarkable tool. It has evolved significantly over the years, becoming more sophisticated and reliable. A cornerstone of modern defense. Its applications are vast, ranging from military to civilian uses. Its ability to see the unseen, to detect threats from afar, makes it an invaluable asset. Whether it's tracking aircraft, ships, or even space debris, radar does it all. It's our first line of warning against dangers approaching by air or by sea or even from space. This early detection is crucial for timely responses. This early warning is so crucial. It provides the necessary time to assess the situation and take appropriate action. It provides that vital window, a window that can mean the difference between safety and disaster. That window of time, it means everything. It allows for strategic planning and informed decisions. It allows for informed decisions that can save lives and protect assets. Should we scramble fighter jets? Should we mobilize ground forces? Should we activate defense systems? These are critical questions that radar helps answer. Should we alert the population? Timely alerts can save countless lives. Without radar, these choices would be made in a panic, or worse, too late to matter. Radar provides the clarity needed in critical moments. Radar buys time, and time saves lives. It is an essential part of our defense infrastructure. It helps to level the playing field, especially for smaller nations. Even those with limited resources can benefit from radar technology. Its presence also acts as a deterrent. Knowing that they are being watched, potential adversaries are less likely to take aggressive actions. Potential adversaries know they are watched. This constant surveillance makes it difficult for them to plan surprise attacks. They know that a surprise attack is much harder to achieve. Radar ensures that we are always one step ahead, maintaining security and peace.